This AI prompt feels illegal to know. Hopefully YouTube doesn't take this down because I'm about to give you the exact prompt that helps create posts that go viral. My business partner, Camilla Markson, combined for over 122 million views every single month using this exact approach. Now here's why this prompt is so powerful. While everyone else is writing posts that get 12 likes from their mom, this prompt creates content designed to stop the scroll and rack up hundreds of comments. You don't need any experience. You don't need a big following. You don't need to be a writer. You just need this prompt and an AI like Claude or ChatGPT. I'm going to give it to you piece by piece so you understand exactly how it works. And stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to do all of this in about 3 seconds instead of doing it manually. Let's get into it. Before I give you the prompt, let me explain why it works. Most people use AI to write content completely wrong. They open ChatGPT and type, "Write me a Facebook post about fitness," and they get back generic, boring, robotic garbage that sounds like everyone else. The algorithm ignores it because here's the truth. Going viral isn't about what you say. It's about the format you say it in. The exact same idea written in the wrong format gets 12 likes. That same idea written in the right format gets 800,000 views. So this prompt does 2 things that normal prompts don't. First, it forces the AI to study what's actually working in your specific niche, not generic advice. Real patterns from real viral posts. Second, it makes the AI write in proven viral formats, not random paragraphs, structured content engineered to stop the scroll. That's the difference between a post that flops and a post that blows up. Now let me give you the actual prompt. I'll put the full thing in the description so you can copy and paste it, but let me walk you through it so you understand how it works. The prompt starts like this. You are a viral content strategist who has studied millions of high-performing social media posts. I want you to help me create a scroll-stopping Facebook post in my niche. First, ask me what my niche is and who my ideal audience is. This first part is critical. Most people skip this. You want the AI to understand exactly who you're talking to before it writes anything. Then the prompt continues. Once I tell you my niche, identify the top 3 emotional triggers that make people in my audience stop scrolling and engage. Think about their fears, their desires, their frustrations, and what they secretly want. This is the psychology piece. Viral content hits an emotion. It makes people feel something. This part forces the AI to find that emotional hook before writing a single word. Then comes the format section, and this is where the magic happens. The next part of the prompt tells the AI to write in proven viral formats. Here's how it reads. Now write me 3 versions of a viral Facebook post using these 3 formats. Format 1, a bold, controversial one-line statement. The challenges a common belief. In my niche, make it punchy and quotable. Format 2, a personal story-driven post. That feels handwritten and authentic. Make it vulnerable and relatable. Format 3, a breaking news style post. That announces a surprising result or transformation written like a news headline. These 3 formats are the ones that work right now. The bold statement, the personal story, the breaking news angle. Then the prompt finishes with this. For each post, also write me 8 comments. I can post myself to start the conversation and trigger the algorithm. Make the comments sound natural, like real people responding. This last part is the secret weapon. Most people post and then disappear. The top creators see the first few comments themselves to get the conversation started because the algorithm sees early engagement and pushes the post to more people. This prompt builds that in automatically. So now you have everything: the emotional hook, 3 viral formats, and a comment strategy, all from one prompt. Now here's the honest truth. This prompt works. If you use it, you'll create better content than 95% of people out there. But there's a catch. It takes time. First, you have to run the prompt. Then you have to answer all the AI's questions. Then you have to read through the 3 versions and pick the best one. Then you have to create the image to go with your post. Then you have to format it so it actually looks like a quote card or a handwritten note or a breaking news graphic. Then you have to copy all 8 comments and post them yourself. By the time you've done all of this for one single post, you've spent 90 minutes. Now multiply that by 30 days. That's 45 hours a month just creating content. And here's what kills most people: consistency. You might do this for a few days, but doing it every single day manually for months, you'll burn out. I know, because I did it the hard way for 3 years. So I had an idea. What if I could take this entire process, the emotional hooks, the proven formats, the comment ladders, the images, and turn it into a tool that does all of it. In 3 seconds, That's exactly what I built. It's called Freedom Threads, and it does everything that prompt does automatically. Here's how it works. Instead of running a long prompt and answering a bunch of questions, you just drop in a topic or a YouTube link or an offer you want to promote. Then you pick one of the three formats: the bold quote card, the handwritten whiteboard, or the breaking news style. And in about 3 seconds, Freedom Threads gives you 3 complete post variations, an 8-comment ladder, and ready to post images. No prompt to copy, no questions to answer, no formatting, no designing, just paste, click, and post. The same content that takes 90 minutes manually, done in 3 seconds. And here's the proof this works. The engine behind Freedom Threads is the exact same system Camilla and I use to generate over 122 million views a month. Same formats, same comment strategy, same engine, 2 completely different niches, both going viral because the formats work. And now the AI does the work for you. While everyone else is spending hours every day wrestling with prompts in Canva, you can create a week of viral content before your morning coffee. So here's what to do. If you want to do this manually, the prompt is in the description. Copy it, use it. It genuinely works. I'm not gatekeeping anything. But if you want to skip the 90 minutes per post, if you want the exact system behind 122 million monthly views, if you want 3 viral posts, images, and a comment ladder in about 3 seconds, then comment the word viral below, and I'll point you in the right direction. You can also find the link in the description. Here's what I want you to understand. The opportunity right now is massive. AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need a big team. You don't need a copywriter. You don't need years of experience. You just need the right formats and the willingness to stay consistent. The creators who figure this out now are going to build huge audiences in 2026. The ones who wait are going to get left behind. So take action. Grab the prompt. And if you want the shortcut, comment viral or check the link below. Real quick, fun fact, the video you just watched, that was my AI avatar delivering it. Just one more example of how AI is changing the game. If you got value from this, hit subscribe. I drop new AI strategies every single week. I'll see you in the next one.